If Photoshop is refusing to open your file, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a few very common issues. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll cover the most common Photoshop opening errors, including the program error message, the document could not be opened message, and files that appear incompatible or unsupported. By the end, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot the problem and get back to editing as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes and software tutorials just like this. Let's start with the most common error message: could not complete your request because of a program error. In most cases, this is caused by a GPU conflict inside Photoshop. The good news is that this is usually an easy fix. First, open Photoshop, then go up to Edit and click Preferences. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Preferences. From there, choose Performance. Inside the Performance settings, look for the option that says Use Graphics Processor. Uncheck that box to disable GPU acceleration. After that, click OK, fully restart Photoshop, and try opening your file again. In many cases, this one change solves the issue immediately. If the file still won't open, the next error you may see is the document file name could not be opened. This usually points to a file association problem, especially on Mac OS, or sometimes a temporary issue with the operating system's launch services database. Before you do anything else, wait about 30 seconds and try opening the file again. If that doesn't work, don't open it from the recent files list inside Photoshop. Instead, go directly to the file's actual folder using Finder on Mac or Windows Explorer on Windows, then open it from there. That small difference can make a big impact. If the file still refuses to open, try opening it in another app first. On Mac, use Preview. On Windows, use Photos or another default image viewer. If it opens there, save a new copy of the file and then try opening that new version in Photoshop. This can help refresh the file association and sometimes bypass the problem entirely. Now let's talk about files that say they are incompatible or unsupported, or files that simply won't open at all. This often happens when the file has become corrupted, or when the file came from another device, app, or download source that didn't save it properly. The first thing to check is the file extension. Make sure the extension actually matches the file type. For example, a file might say .jpeg, but it could have been saved incorrectly, or a .psd might have been renamed by mistake. Also, avoid unusual characters in the file name. Things like extra periods, symbols, or strange formatting can sometimes confuse Photoshop. If needed, rename the file to something simple, like Image1, and keep the extension standard. If it's a JPEG file and you suspect the header data is damaged, one helpful trick is to open it in a simple default viewer, rotate the image, and save it as a new version. That can rebuild the file enough for Photoshop to recognize it again. If you're still stuck, here's a quick recap of the best order to troubleshoot. First, disable the graphics processor in Photoshop Preferences and restart the app. Second, open the file from its actual folder instead of the recent list. Third, try another viewer and save a fresh copy. Fourth, check the file extension and rename the file if needed. These steps solve a huge number of Photoshop opening issues without needing any advanced repairs. The main thing is not to assume the file is completely lost right away. In many cases, the issue is with Photoshop settings, file associations, or a minor file naming problem rather than the file itself. Working through these steps calmly will save you time and help you avoid making the problem worse. If this video helped you fix your Photoshop file opening error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting tips, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.